The ancient Egyptians understood that they could use sound to reduce their weight and the gravitational effect.
Through archaeoacoustic research, we are now close being able to duplicate those megalithic temples.
Sound in combination with technology would produce gravitational effects.
If they knew the correct resonant frequency, they could have used sound in that manner.
The ancient people possibly had a way to reach sympathetic resonance with each other and with stone.
We are in constant communication with this field. When we create coherence,
sound will create geometric patterns that you find in nature.
From the electron moving around the nucleus of an atom to distant galaxies, they're all in a state of vibration.
Free energy technologies are encoded within those megalithic temples. Also, ways in which we can live in a manner that is more harmonious with the earth and will enable us to create ultimately a sustainable civilization. That's our quest and that's our goal.